What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm excited today. I'm going to look at a new project. It is a Fox body. I'll give you that much right now. I don't know what I put on the thumbnail as of yet, but we're going to check it out. I've seen pictures of it. I've talked to the guy. Just a couple places that concern me about it, so we may not buy it. I don't know. We'll just have to see. As long as it's not rusty, it'll probably come home with us. But I do not want to deal with the rust bucket or have to fix rust or any of that stuff. So stay tuned. See what we're going to end up with. Jeep Central in this neighborhood. Holy cow. Get ready to see it, guys. I don't know if it'll be sitting outside or not when we pull up. I'm excited and I'm nervous that it may not be what it is in the pictures. So we will see in just a minute.
Turn right onto Redwood Lane. In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
Oh, there it is. Just gotta find a place to park. Alright, guys, here it is. 1985 Mercury Capri. I just bought it from my buddy Jacob here. He's owned it for 9 years.
Just about.
Brought it all the way from Washington for me. So he brought it here just for me. Brought it across the country.
Just for you, brother.
Yeah, I appreciate it. We're getting ready to load this thing up and we're gonna head back to North Carolina. Alright, guys, I am now the proud owner of a 1985 Mercury Capri RS. One of my cars I've wanted since I was in high school. I'm excited. We got soaked loading it up. It came a downpour. But anyway, she is loaded up. And the guy I bought it from, man, he was really cool guy. He used to be a mechanic before he did his current job now. So he said he had put a new clutch in it, new flywheel, new rear main seal, new oil pan, just fixed a bunch of leaks, which I'm glad because that's things I hate doing. So now we get it home, we got to do some cleanup. It's going to need a hatch. At some point that hatch got damaged. It bondoed over. But anyway, it's a really nice car. I'll show you, you'll see more video of it here in a minute. But right now, I just got to get this ride home going and find me something to eat because I am hungry. See you in a bit.